Hello my loves, today in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do this purple look, and we're going to get started with this Glamlite palette. This is the wine palette from Glamlite, and this first shade that I'm going in with is the lightest pink in here. It's the color Earthy, and this color I'm just taking all over the crease and really trying to diffuse it out. I'm bringing it pretty close to the brow bone, and I'm just gonna keep applying this color until I'm pretty satisfied with the payoff. And this is gonna be pretty much my transition shade going forward. And this next color is the shade Fine Taste. This is the lightest lavender purple that's in this palette, and this I am keeping in the crease just to bring a little bit more contrast against that really pale pink. This will be just to add a little bit of dimension in the crease, and what I'm doing here is going to be really just starting to create that outer V cat eye shape at the end of my eyelid. This next color that I go in with is Pinot Noir. It's kind of like a very berry purpley pink color. And here I am just packing on that color into the outer V of my eyelid. Really just making sure it's on the lid before I start blending out. And here I'm just making sure that the edges are diffused before moving on with my next color. I'm also using this shade to start building that outer V shape that I'm going for, the very cat eye, smoky eyeshadow kind of style. As I'm blending out, I'm just making sure I'm keeping the definition of the shape that I'm going for in the outer V. This next shade that I go in with is the color Vintage. It's the deepest purple that is in the palette, and here I'm just packing it onto my outer lid, again making sure I keep the shadow in the area that I want it to be in. I'm not going farther than my lower lash line, and just keeping that color in that outer V shape. Going in with the same brush as before and just blending out the edges and just diffusing them. I do want this to be more of a smoky eye, but I again want to keep that very cat eye shape at the outer corner of my eyelid. And here I'm just going in with another layer of that same color, Vintage, just to deepen it up a little bit more, bring a little bit more dimension and contrast against the lighter shades on the lid, in the crease. Again, just keeping it in the outer V area and diffusing the edges by blending. When you're blending, you really just want to let the brush do the work for you. I'm not diffusing too far out with these deeper colors just because I do want to keep that shadow and darkness in the outer portion of the eye. And then here I'm just going in with the first brush that I used in the beginning just to kind of blend out and diffuse those edges a little bit more. This next shade that I'm going in with is the color Sparkling. It's the rosy gold color that's in the palette, and I'm just using my finger to pack it onto my lid. I find with shimmers that's the way I get the most payout. This next shade is called Napa. It's a purple blue duochrome color, and I find that the color shift down here is beautiful, so I'm just putting that color right above that sparkling color just to give a little bit more dimension to the lid. And since I do have hooded eyes, I usually bring my shimmers slightly above my crease. And here I'm just taking a small brush and I'm mixing the color Sparkling and Chardonnay. Chardonnay is a gold shimmer, and I'm just kind of mixing the two colors together just to keep the same color story, but I wanted to add a little bit more brightness to my inner corner. And I'm just bringing that on the inner part of my lower lash line just to bring some shimmer down there. Next, I'm taking a really small blending brush, and on here I mixed the color Pinot Noir and Vintage just to add some shadow to my lower lash line. And I'm just blending that out just to make this a little bit more of a smoky look. Next, I'm taking Wet n Wild's Breakup Proof Waterproof Retractable Gel Liner. This is a really good, affordable eyeliner, and I use it for my waterline and to tightline. And then I go in with the NYX Epic Ink Liner in the color Black, and I find that this eyeliner pen is really easy to use. Last is eyelashes, and these are actually from Amazon. They are from the brand Genia. I'll put the link in the description below, but these are the style, I believe, 1815A. They're called the Mink Lashes Wispy Extension Effect. Again, 1815A, and these are from Amazon. And that's pretty much it for this look. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.